partying like we're homeless. Don't need a bed, we have a sleepless. We're partying like we're homeless. Don't need a bed, we have a sleepless. We're partying like we're homeless. Don't need a bed, we have a sleepless. We're partying like we're homeless. Don't need a bed, we have a sleepless.
I think it all started at 2 AM. You know, it's just like one of those nights when everybody is out of control since a little while. When you realize that most of your friends have moved to another part, leaving you behind in this living room. Well, you see there's still that girl that you came up here with in a fancy racing car, but it seems like she temporarily won't be able to drive as she's lying on the floor and close to a paper bag. Suddenly you hear some notes, so you take a look through the window when you see this guy blowing his trombone, walking all alone like the ghost of some old school jazz player in black and white. Then your brain starts to react, analyzing the fact, wondering what was that strange vision in the night. When you finally get out, the only moving thing you can see in the street is a cat.
Enjoying my time, day after day I've got to draw my line. It's just a break before they take me back to my full-time crack. That's a way of life, everyone needs to celebrate from time to time. We stay out, we speak loud, well you know people are making sound.
You go back in the house, melting in the crowd, following the sound of the heavy bass. You shut the DJ, turn it loud, and so it goes. Satisfying party people's souls, entering the heavy vibrating part of the smoky minds now. Everybody's cool and they feel real high, moving to the snare as the kick drum flies. You're blinded by the lights and the girls really shine, and you can truly experiment the energy of sound. So it goes on and on through the night, and it's all sweet and nice. The music is quite good and the rhythm is fat. The girl has got your eyes and you are hypnotized. It seems she is highly motivated, moving with sound, shaking in time. Really got style, fire in the eyes. Yeah, she's getting very close to you now. It's Sunday morning and it's not so bad to watch the sun rising.
Enjoying my time, day after day I've got to draw my line. It's just a break before they take me back to my full-time craft. That's a way of life, everyone needs to celebrate from time to time. We stay out, we speak loud, well you know people are making sound. Enjoying my time, day after day I've got to draw my line. It's just a break before they take me back to my full-time craft. That's a way of life, everyone needs to celebrate from time to time. We stay out, we speak loud, well you know people are making sound.